This is supposed to be the highest of the night. The highest in the world. That is in the street side. That boy just gave Jesus a high five.
How you doing, my boy?
Burque.
We out here in New Mexico, my boy.
That's how we do it.
Magazine Hall of Famer, the AZ living legend, Frank Castillo, Frank's Hydraulics. We appreciate all the love and support you do right here in this city. Let's go. We're in the middle of the intersection. There we go. Oh yeah, we in the air.
Guess what she just did, bro?
Y'all make some noise for the bumper. That's what it is right there. If it ain't on the bumper, don't represent New Mexico. Oh yeah. This is going to be kitchen.
Still secret, you're gonna have to do this thing.
All right, we got a quick change of program. This is Simon out of Espanola. All right, we jumping the bag, ain't the intersection. All the way from Espanola. You ain't gonna see too many rag eights out here jumping that corner. That's what I'm talking about. X. Who that? Dog on this way? Okay. Oh, that's what they call it. We gonna tell you about the bumper out here. Let's go. Give me one right there. Hey, I'll take the one that we got. Want some quick all right, there we go. There it is. He was a little nervous. His grandmother had to help him out. Still Rico out here crashing. And if you want to hopper, tell your parents this one is for sale, $25K. It puts you in the game, and it'll be a nice graduation present. For sale. You can leave here. That's what I'm talking about. If your son or daughter just graduated, you want to get them in the game. Alright, I'm gonna tell you right now, if you have not seen it, I'm sure most of you have. Alright, here we go. I think he fresh out of high school. And almost, let's go right here. Let's go, Pickle. Let's go, Pickle. Go make some noise for him. Let's go. Don't be mad. Don't be mad. Let's go, Pickle. Give them what they want. It's taking over in the building. It's taking over in the building. Oh, Pickle, you're about to get a fine if you don't interrupt it. Come on, we know you got it. Yeah. That was quick. Oh, yeah, he crashing. Yeah, that's not a young man's game. That's OG business right there. Out here flexing. Don't do it like that, Frank. Oh, no. And he gonna walk it out. And of course, this man is partnered up with Low Rider Warriors, so you best believe it. All right, we got the man, Mr. New Mexico himself. Mr. Fernando, let's go. Get the camera ready. Super clean, crashing, and protection on his own turf. Don't get no better than that. That's how you do it, Fernando. Slow down, sir. Put that shit down. Y'all make some noise for this man right here. Mr. Taking over himself. Yes, sir. You know he's gonna walk it all the ways. He's gonna walk it out for his brother Junior. That's what I'm talking about. That's how you do that right here, man. We're gonna always represent for your brother. Oh, we not done. We got another one. Time to put this together. We don't want to see this. Oh, yeah. That's how you do it. Leon, don't do him like that. You gonna do him like that? Don't do him like that. Oh, I think he gonna do him like that. He might walk into Texas. Leon out here crashing. Don't hurt nobody. Don't hurt nobody. Oh yeah, we out here Albuquerque. This is female. Ladies, can we take some winners? Oh, y'all gonna make some noise for a female. That's what I'm talking about. This is female home. It's a clean We got Ayman on the switch. Okay. I think his nerves kicked in.